BlackRock, a significant supplier for financial institutions worldwide, has chosen to invest more than $9 trillion into XRP/Ripple once the United States raises its tariffs and starts aggressively investing into cryptocurrencies. This has been confirmed literally by BlackRock's reported intention to invest more than $9 trillion into Ripple Labs, a significant action for XRP, the real cryptocurrency enabling global payment processing. Indeed, Larry Fink has been a strong supporter of cross-border payments utilizing tokenization and blockchain. He's appeared on several news channels to say that every asset will be tokenized and that XP will connect useful tokenized assets, even related to silver and gold. We've witnessed this many times, as well as rumors and speculation. Fairly probably, BlackRock all along has been amassing XRP, destroying the price, controlling the price, get as much XRP as you can before hoping it to rise significantly in price. Guys, check out this report. We're obviously going to be reloading and showing you all the videos soon, but Forbes, yes Forbes, forecasts XRP worry to between $200 and $400 in the next 4 weeks. What does this imply? BlackRock knows precisely what is going on, thus they are aware that Forbes forecasts $400 per XRP, should Forbes be estimating $400 per XRP. If BlackRock can gather essentially hundreds of millions, if not hundreds of billions, of XRP and XRP does not reach that, then if they acquire it at like 60 cents, $1.60, $2, that is dirt cheap levels, and they'll be able to actually sell off at $400, making absolutely trillions. Given all the news we receive daily about Ripple working with major companies, it is logical. Actually, Ripple has only lately become ISDN a member, the International Settlement and Derivatives Association, literally the derivatives market. It's a $1.2 quadrillion market comprising BlackRock, Societe Generale, ATL, JP Morgan Directors, CME Group, Citibank, Goldman Sachs, BNY, Mellon, London Stock Exchange, and of course more than 1,000 other financial institutions spread across 79 countries worldwide. But this enormous institution, once more this enormous partnership, nearly $1.2 quadrillion, that the XRP ledger is actually going to have to enable very soon. Reports have indicated that BlackRock and JP Morgan are really going to enable $1.2 quadrillion on the XRP ledger across borders, which we are to be presenting you all this. All of this is happening in concert with Ripple Labs, XRP, the XRP ledger, and clearly the enormous scale cooperation, probably even including the United States Treasury, the Federal Reserve Bank, the FedNap payment system, and the United States of America. Now before we do a deep dive into all this, and there's a lot of content we have to uncover, because this is billions of dollars, trillions of dollars to be exact, and obviously the price of XRP is really what we gotta pay attention to. $200, $400 within the next 4 weeks. It's important, even vital, and if you own XRP, you should watch this video to the conclusion. Currently at $1.81.79, the price of XRP is always bouncing back, so nearly $1.82. Looking at the prices, which are totally live and visible on Bank Exchange. Clearly, you can observe all the live prices for every cryptocurrency and updates every few seconds. But as you all can see, the charts are quite bullish. We have obviously a retracement rate here where the market crashed because of the tariffs, but now a nice little recovery, and we observe that occurring not only for the individuals, but also for the whole cryptocurrency market. So Bitcoin is obviously coming back, Ethereum is coming back, and we are witnessing once more all the other tokens do a recovery. Means we are anticipating a nice retracement at rebounds, all the way up to about $2.50 per XRP before it then soars past all-time high. Pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you all, since what we are looking at is a chance for you all to get yourself up to $100 worth of free XRP, without doing any work. Literally takes you less than 5 minutes. Guys, if you want to get yourself some free XRP, or at least up to $100 to accumulate even more XRP, all you have to do is sign up on Apple using my link in the description, and perform a transaction. For purchasing XRP, Uphold ranks first among cryptocurrency exchanges. This is therefore the ideal location. I did not advise it. Once more, I'll leave the link below in description, and if you do any transaction, set up using my link and you do a transaction which could be 1 penny, $1, $10, you'll get up to $100 worth to purchase even more XRP. Once more, Uphold is the second largest XRP holder. Clearly they are doing this as a pleasant courtesy bonus, should you all utilize my link since we are affiliated with them. Besides this, you want to get on XRP ledger tokens, or would want to utilize an exchange with an app practically enabling you to conduct transactions from your mobile device, hence you should absolutely use Ben Exchange. You may really access the Ben Exchange XRP ledger system from both Android and Apple. Searching Ben Exchange on the App Store and Play Store will suffice. To top it all off, as you all can see here, you can also access their web version at Bankschange. And actually buy and sell straight away with your credit card, using your bank, and of course you can clearly withdraw straight to your bank as well. To top it all off, you may purchase every newest cryptocurrency on the XRP ledger. All the XRP ledger meme coins and utility coins making folks total bank can be transacted and accessed quite easily and quickly on benexchange.com, so I'll leave that down below in the description once more fellas. Thank you all so much for our partners. That said, let's jump straight into the video for today. This is bullish. Ripple CEO Brad Gerlinghouse confirms $2.8 trillion could fast transfer onto the XRP ledger. Obviously much of this is coming via the RLUSD, a projected $2.8 trillion market by 2028, which is reported to all start flowing into really the XRP ledger. Once more RLUSD is growing in demand as we observe. Institutions are actually using both XRP and the stablecoin the RLUSD stablecoin by jumping on board the XRP ledger gentlemen. Ripple has also been noted to have bought Hidden Road, a prime broker for $1.25 billion, making it the first cryptocurrency firm to own and run a worldwide multi-asset prime broker. To run and own a worldwide multi-asset prime broker, the purchase intends to bring digital assets to institutional clients on a larger scale and bring institutional and conventional financial systems with cryptocurrencies. Guys, this is a huge deal as once more it closely links the RLUSD token with XRP, and essentially this Hidden Road company is going to let billions of not trillions of dollars, which Hidden Road does trillions of dollars, to now switch their system and easily and very quickly officially utilize Ripple RLUSD and XRP for cross-border payments. The New York Stock Exchange has also finished everything off by clearly approving two recently arrived XRP ETFs. Basically, two XRP ETFs have been approved. A series of listed funds trusted under the exchange item 1934, the Ticram 2X long daily XRP ETFs listing and registration are certified by the NYSE Arca. XRP just got a major one on Wall Street, so once more very optimistic. Of course we are witnessing this in real time. Now yet another enormous pointer. Once more we mean a great deal of material. I apologize once more if I'm speaking quickly. We are attempting to convey so much information in this one brief video. XRP guys is the possible price for the US dollar. Even the United States Federal Reserve has made it obvious, in my opinion, that XRP is the top crypto asset in all of the world, including the United States. Yet in fact, the Federal Reserve's endorsement of the XRP payment system, and that XRP digital asset is probably going to replace the USD. This dollar by itself could push XRP's price to amazing $640.80. For those people sending you $10,000 per XRP, well it's really reasonable when we discuss enabling all of the worldwide money. When the XRP ledger is the main player and main component, we can not only discuss XRP, two entities, XRP and the CTF token, operate the XRP ledger. The CTF token is the payment rewards cashback system, XRP is the payment facilitator. The top diva asset on the XRP ledger and Polygon chain are set for tremendous expansion. Imagine only a $20 billion markup for the CTF token, is the payment rewards token of the XRP ledger could send its going from 70 cents to an amazing $740 per token per CTF. With just $119 million total supply, it's very tiny. The cryptocurrency market is unprepared for what is next. CTF token is primed to take off. Be sure to conduct your own study. You can once more actually enter on Mexo and Ben Exchange. Clearly using Ben Exchange is quite simple. Once more, all you have to do is type CTF into the search box to actually access CTF token right there. Now let's examine the real graphs fellas, since we can't ignore